Yeah, so this morning when I came in, the lid was down like this. But I forgot to put the camera. Well, forgot. I chose not to put the camera. So I have no idea what happened. So maybe the other mouse is not going on there anymore now. We need to do something about this fridge. I'm saying now for the third time. I'm not sure the mouse is going to try again. My legs feel like mushy. Not much strength in there anymore. So no digging today. But we do need to continue on the drain field. But there's another ingredient we still need. It's already 4 o'clock. Today I worked on another video for the main channel. I suddenly got an idea. I think it's kind of interesting for some of you guys. I'm gonna show you what you can buy in Portugal up to 20,000 euros. I think for a lot of people who want to escape the rat race, for instance, that will be a very informative video. Little tips and tricks, like what to avoid and what to look out for. So yeah, you can expect that pretty soon, I think. Enough coffee for today, let's go do something. Yes, stones. We're gonna need a lot of stones for in this drain field. We're not using the WetLand anymore, so we're gonna use these. Hey Zoe, you're coming to help, sweetie. That's very kind of you. And we have all these small stones, they need to go in the bucket. I guess it's up to me. I don't want too much organic material in there, so I guess I'll be here for a while. Ah, Zoe. That's not helping, sweet. I know, you're trying. You're trying. It's not easy without thumbs, huh? ¿Qué pasa? Something going on? Zoe! Hey, we have another one. I put the camera yesterday, but now I forgot to put it on night mode, so you don't see anything. I'll be right back. Meep, meep. Maybe they find each other again. Now the question is, are there any more in there? We'll leave the bucket for a couple more days and turn on the camera. We've cleared out all the garden already, almost. It's looking a lot better. You have a nice fresh bowl of water, sweetie. I am a freaking genius. This goes 3 times faster. Maybe I'll finish this today now. First some black gold. White gold. Kira's waiting for